Okay guys, so I'm going to start with this color Adventurous, and I'm using the SnowQueen palette from Amor'us. So I'm just going to be blending this color in. Now moving on to Memories, I'm just going to be applying this on the outer and inner corner of my eye. So I'm going to be using Earth, and I'm just going to be applying that in the middle of the eye. And I'm making sure to blend this color out really good. So I am reapplying that yellow Shadow Adventure all over the eye just to bring out that color because it kind of faded off. And now moving on to some liner, and then I'm going to be adding some eyelashes. So I do want to do a video on these lashes. I got them from Amazon, and they're very inexpensive and very good lashes. I really like them a lot. So now I'm going to be adding that color Elsa on the bottom of my eyes, and then I'm going to be going over it with a darker blue. And I am adding some highlight in the inner corner just for that pop. So that icy ocean color, I'm going to be applying it over Elsa. I'm going in with this Troll black eyeshadow, and then did the rest of my makeup, and I am done. And I'll be seeing you guys next time.